In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Amazon Prime Video not downloading. If you're facing issues with downloading movies or TV shows, the first step is to check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for downloading content smoothly. Look for a reliable Wi-Fi network. You should see your device connected, usually indicated by a strong signal icon. If you're using mobile data, ensure that the Prime Video app is permitted to download over cellular. This setting is important because it allows you to download content even when not connected to Wi-Fi. By confirming your connection, you'll ensure that the download process can begin without interruptions. Once that is done, verify the title you want to download is indeed downloadable. Not every movie or TV show on Prime Video is available for offline viewing. You can usually find a download button next to titles that support this feature. If there's no download option, it means that the title is not licensed for offline use in your area. This step is essential because knowing the availability of downloads can save you time and frustration. It ensures you are only attempting to download titles that are actually supported. Now make sure your Prime membership is active. An expired or inactive subscription can block access to download features. You can check your membership status in the settings of your Amazon account. This is a crucial step because without an active membership, you won't be able to download any content, regardless of the device or title. Confirming this will help you avoid any unnecessary troubleshooting steps later on. Next up, check your device's storage. A device low on storage can hinder the downloading process significantly. Open your device's storage settings to see how much space is available. If your storage is nearly full, consider deleting unused files or old downloads. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as having adequate space will ensure a smooth download experience. Once you've cleared up some space, return to the Prime Video app and try downloading again. After that, it's time to update the Prime Video app. Outdated apps can often lead to downloading issues. Navigate to your device's app store and check for any available updates for the Prime Video app. Installing the latest version ensures you have all the latest features and bug fixes. This step is important because it helps to eliminate issues caused by outdated software. Once the app is updated, attempt to download your content yet again. At this point, restart your device. Close the Prime Video app completely, then restart your phone, tablet, or computer. Reopening the app after a restart can clear temporary issues that might be affecting downloads. This simple action can refresh the app's performance and resolve minor glitches. Now try downloading the title once more. You might find that the issue is resolved after this step. Now, if a download is stuck or has failed, delete and re-download the title. Go to your downloads section within the Prime Video app and find the incomplete download, remove it from your device, then start the download again. This can often rectify issues that arise from interrupted downloads. You will see a confirmation once the title is successfully removed, giving you the green light to start fresh. Next, check your download limits. Amazon does place restrictions on how many titles can be downloaded per account and the number of devices that can store the same downloaded title. If you've hit this limit, you will need to delete downloads from another device or remove unused registered devices. This step is particularly important because it helps you manage your downloads effectively, allowing you to prioritize which titles are most important to keep. Finally, disable any VPN or proxy you might be using. VPNs can interfere with downloads because Prime Video verifies your region before allowing offline content. If you notice issues after connecting through a VPN, try disabling it and see if that resolves the downloading issues. This small adjustment can significantly improve your downloading experience. With these steps, you should be well on your way to enjoying your favorite shows offline.